G'day! We're Lego Friends Dog Rescue Center 41727 with just over 600 pieces. In this set we got Autumn, Zach, and Gabriella. Looks like Gabriella's always going to be wearing gloves. Here's the front. That's the back of the box. Let's crack it open. One, two instruction books, bunch of stickers, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and something bags. Let's put it together. And that's the build straight out of the box, straight off the instruction set. Here are the extra bits and pieces. These extra pair of scissors will come in handy. You always keep losing them. You gotta place them around the house. We have, I guess these are the outdoor kennels, and this is the vet or cleaning wash up area. This is actually the bathtub set, an adoption sign. And this looks like a play area or an obstacle course. The grooming shears, big brush. I guess this is a soap. I don't know, this looks like the tap. Let's get one of them in there. Here's Grace walking up to the steps, getting in the little bathtub there. And Autumn brushing the little doggy. Not only does Autumn have back pockets, Autumn looks alright because she has no left hand. You see Grace the dog here with a scuff on her mouth and little scratches on her forehead right there. Needs some tender care at this little doggy rescue center. Here's the obstacle course. This looks like a jumping pole and it's removable, so no one's gonna trip over that. A little dash here. Let's try to run the course. Up over the plank. Pause, take a little breath. Then walk the balance beam. Fall over. Try to make it to the other side and maneuver through these lollipops or balloons or whatever they are. And let's go back again to the top. Try to reach that hot dog on the stick. Just out of reach. Look at that. Someone's been a naughty pupper. There's a little pile of poop on this course. From the looks of this, Dash looks like a hairless dog if you, that's the folds over the neck showing through. And the main center, we have 3 outdoor kennels, which that's quite a big burn. Let's see, that's about as tall as Zach is, and someone's going to be chomping on that for a while. So vet Gabriella here, looks like her gloves are a fixed part of her body, much like those doctors in Mercy Point. The one with wheels for legs, the back legs, is Pickle. Actually, it looks like Pickle's got wheel assist. Still got the legs, but just extra help from those back wheels. Someone's missing a dog, and someone's picked out one of the tabs to maybe look for the owner, maybe contact them, see you on the way. This is all modular from the pins, called in the Technic. So it comes as an L shape here. Pop it. You can readjust it as you would like to whatever configuration. The stickers weren't too bad to put on. I don't understand why would you have blinds on an angled window. They're probably gonna fall off pretty quick. And then still at the front here, because I lost it on the instruction set, makes this look like a toilet instead of a waiting room chair. Right by the chicken disc, we have a bottle of water and dog food. Has a big stump of dog paw print there. Up, let's go up. This is the care room. There's like a heat lamp or some kind of It's just a normal lamp, I guess. But it looks orange, so get grease on the top. And look at this. Does this work? This is a magnifying glass. Yeah, no, it doesn't work. Wait, let's get someone on the scale here. Dash. Now I can't even see the scale. They look healthy enough, being eating all their meals in regular scheduled times. Well, hey, and here's a slide at the back. It was a bit of a difficult one to put together. I wasn't sure which lip I was gonna stick on there, but I ain't got it in the end. Let's get Pickle up on the ramp here. It's a bit of a difficult one, but they made it. Let's get on the slide. Oh, that worked. They're head over heels now. Or heels over head. Yeah, it's pretty neat. See you next time on The Wind in the Willows.